What if you could spot signs of disease in minutes? No doctor, no lab. Today, I'll show you 10 simple at-home tests to catch hidden health issues early. My name is Joy, and as a health advocate, I believe knowledge is your best defense. Early detection saves lives, and your body gives subtle clues every day, shifts in color, temperature, or function that can signal a problem. These quick checks help you become proactive about your health, not anxious. We'll cover everything from blood sugar to skin, so you know when it's time to talk to your doctor. Let's get started. Diabetes often goes unnoticed. A home glucometer can reveal your risk. Check your fasting blood sugar first thing in the morning. Prick your finger, place a drop on the strip, and read the number. Below 100 mg/dL is normal. 100-125 mg/dL signals prediabetes. 126 mg/dL or higher on 2 occasions suggests diabetes. This isn't a diagnosis, but it's a sign to see your doctor. One quick test can change your health trajectory. Anemia can sap your energy, but your body shows clues. Pull down your lower eyelid. Healthy is pink or red, pale means possible anemia. Check your nail beds. Press until white, then release. Color should return in under 2 seconds. Pale nail beds or slow color return. Time to ask your doctor about a blood test. Simple checks, big insights. Feeling tired and cold? Your thyroid might be slow. Use a basal thermometer as soon as you wake up before getting out of bed. A healthy basal temperature is 97.8-98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, 36.5-37 degrees Celsius. Consistently lower, it could signal hypothyroidism. Track for several days for accuracy. If your average is low, discuss it with your healthcare provider. High blood pressure is a silent killer. Use an upper arm cuff, sit quietly for 5 minutes and measure. Ideal is under 120/80ths. Over 130/80ths? That's high. Track your readings and share with your doctor. Make the invisible, visible. Low vitamin D can cause fatigue, low mood, and bone pain. Press on your breastbone or shins. Tenderness may signal deficiency. Persistent tiredness and aches, especially in winter, are red flags. If you notice these, ask your doctor for a vitamin D test. Don't ignore your body's signals. Dehydration sneaks up fast. Pinch the skin on your hand. If it snaps back, you're hydrated. If it stays tented, you need fluids. Check your urine. Pale yellow is good, dark means drink more. 2 quick checks, instant feedback. Stay hydrated, stay sharp. Your eyes can reveal liver trouble. In natural light, check the whites of your eyes. Yellowing may mean jaundice, a sign your liver isn't filtering properly. Other symptoms: dark urine, pale stools, fatigue. Notice yellow, see a doctor right away. Your eyes are a window to your health. Test your lungs at home. Sit, breathe normally, then inhale deeply and hold your breath. Time it. Healthy adults can hold for 30-50 seconds. Less than 25, your lung capacity may be low. If your time is short or dropping, talk to your doctor. Simple, but revealing. Hearing loss is easy to miss. Have a partner stand behind you and whisper a mix of letters and numbers. Repeat what you hear. Struggling to hear? It's time for a professional hearing check. Early detection means better outcomes. Don't let hearing loss sneak up on you. Skin cancer is common but curable if caught early. Use the ABCDEs. Asymmetry, border, color, diameter, evolving. Check your moles monthly and take photos to track changes. Spot anything suspicious? See a dermatologist. Your skin check could save your life. Many serious conditions are silent at first. Regular self-checks give you a head start on your health. A friend of mine felt fine but discovered high blood pressure with a home test. No symptoms, just a life-saving warning. Recap: blood sugar, eyelids, nails, temperature, BP, vitamin D, hydration, eyes, breath hold, hearing, and moles. Just minutes a month can make a difference. Like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. Which test surprised you most? Comment below and stay well.